Hello and welcome to this short clip. In this video I will show you how to transfer or copy all properties and parameters of one installation element to another. The transfer parameterisation function is used to copy the properties of one element and transfer them to the other elements. In the first step, I select the element whose properties are to be copied as source, and then the element that is to receive these properties. Afterwards, the transmission is updated. Any number of installation elements can be selected as target via the dialog. The properties are transferred to all selected elements. The target elements can also be selected using a rectangle, which in certain situations is clearly faster and more useful. In further steps, the installed elements can be edited and adapted to the new situation using the industry-specific functionalities. The transfer parameterisation function works not only within a facade assembly, but also across assemblies. At this point, it only is important that the installation elements are based on the same variant. I would like to demonstrate this in the present example of two facades. First, I select the element from one facade and then the target element, or as in this example, several elements from the other facade. The properties of the source element are also transferred to the target elements together with all parameters, which are updated immediately. In the same way, the properties and parameters can be transferred to the other elements of the facade. The same procedure can also be used for elements of a substructure. That was a short overview of how you can transfer properties and parameters from one installation element to other elements. Thank you for your interest and see you next time.